and it looks like we will need an all hands on deck tomorrow.
Yeah, you can say that again. KCAL meteorologist Markina Brown, she joins us now with our next weather forecast. Hi, Markina.
Hi there. Now, why would you say that? We've got this whole
Just
thing.
a little hunch.
This whole thing. Let's talk about Hilary. Yes, definitely a monstrous storm. I have covered plenty of hurricanes, and one thing that I've noticed about Hilary is that although she is slowly but surely weakening, we'll talk about why in just a second, she is still a very monstrous and far-reaching storm. For example, we are looking at the eye of the storm here, but the effects of Hilary will be able to be felt about 265 miles from the eye of the storm. That, for example, is from, say, LA to about San Jose. So just because Hilary is now a category, say, 2 storm as opposed to being a category 4, know that the effects will still be felt very far from the eye of the storm. The other thing that I want to address that I've heard people talk about is the fact that the winds won't be as much of a concern, which is true, but we are still looking at pretty gusty winds. You got to know that when you are talking about any kind of system that is tropical, these are winds that are a little bit stronger than we are used to here in Southern California, although the biggest concern will be flooding. That is 100% for sure. When you talk about some of our mountain and desert communities and you are putting water all over those communities where the surface is really hard and dry, it is almost like comparing pouring water on carpet versus pouring water on, say, a wooden floor. The carpet is always going to be able to absorb that water better, right? That is exactly what we're looking at for the mountain and desert areas. Definitely not a likely scenario for them. So as we keep an eye on what's going on with Hilary, weakening, why? Because of the water that it is now churning in right now. We are talking about it now exiting the warmer 80-degree waters and now getting into some of the cooler water here. And that is why now we are talking about a Cat 2 storm as opposed to a Cat 4, but as I said again, still a very strong storm. We are still analyzing its movement. If it continues to move a little bit further to the west, it will be stronger because of the energy that it will get from the water. If it moves a little bit further to the east, it will be weaker because it will be having to kind of contend with the land and the buildings and the things that we have in some of the areas in places like LA and in Vegas, that kind of thing. The topography will interrupt the storm. So we're continuing to watch that. But as we look at what's happening rain-wise for the folks in Nevada, they are already starting to see it. It is already raining in Vegas. We're already starting to see some of the outer rain bands in places like Bakersfield, California City. And some of these rain bands, as you can see, are pretty hefty because we are seeing the reds and the yellows here, which indicates moderate to heavy rainfall. So rain is definitely something that we'll be watching out for as we go through, the next 24 to 48 hours or so. Let's see if we can get some timing on this. This is going to be key because, again, the biggest concern here is going to be the flooding. As we take a look at Saturday, 11:45, that's later on tonight. The rain is just starting to enter into the Inland Empire area, let's just say. And then as we fast forward the clock to 4 a.m., here we come with maybe some moderate rain finally getting into LA County. Then we start to see more rain coming through, and look at the rain that we are expecting as we get into Sunday afternoon. We are talking about consistent moderate to heavy rainfall. More on this. They're telling me to shut up. We'll come back to this. More on this coming up in just a little bit, guys. Back to you.